Hey there, welcome to Rows, the next generation spreadsheet where data comes to life. In this video, we'll be looking at how you could use our AI Analyst to extract string or text data from specific columns. Let's dive right in. Say if you'd wanted to extract just the domains from the email. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and trigger our AI Analyst here. I'm also going to go ahead and hide our sidebar so we have a better view of the table. In the prompt here, I'm going to say extract domain from email and hit enter. Give it a couple seconds, and in the background, our AI Analyst is trying to assess which column it needs to extract the data from, and it has just created this column K with just the domain from the email like so. Next, let's say if you'd want to classify these domains as generic and branded. To do that, I'm going to say from the email domain column, classify gmail.com, yahoo.com, hotmail.com as generic domains and the rest as branded. Hit enter, give it a couple more seconds, and you'd see a new column show up with the classification like so. In this case, the AI Analyst has created an if function with the specification like so. Next, let's say if you'd wanted to send some kind of personalized email to these users, and for that you'd need the first name. To be able to fetch just the first name from the customer name, here's what I do. Fetch first name from customer name. Hit enter, give it a couple more seconds. I'm going to scroll all the way to the right, and we should see a new column show up here with just the first name. You could do so much more with our AI Analyst, and these are just some very basic examples. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.